guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you doing? So today I'll be showing you how to make your pink lip. If you want to have a pink lip, what you need a Colgate and sugar. If you don't have white sugar, you have brown sugar, is okay. Add. So you need honey, or if you don't have honey, you can add lime to it. So this is what I have, and the Colgate I will be using is blue inside. If you don't have blue, is white you have, you can still use white, any one of Colgate. So we just press Colgate inside a bowl because we don't need much. Then we need a small teaspoon of honey. As I said before, if you don't have white, if you don't have white, you can use brown. Then we take 1 spoon. You mix it. It's very thick. You have to make it thick, not too light. So I will just use it to brush my lip. If you don't want to use brush, you can use hand. When you use this twice in the day, if you shower in the morning, you shower in the evening, or you brush your teeth in the morning and in the evening, you will see the reaction. My lip was very black before. People think maybe I'm smoking, that's why my lip is very black. This is what I'm using that make it more little bit pink, not too dark like that. I use it to scrub it. Because the brush I'm using is not strong brush, so I prefer using hand. That's why I'm using hand. After applying it like this, guys, so you leave it to 10 to 15 minutes. Then after it dry, like it's more dry, then you use your hand to scrub it again and rinse it with water. You can apply lip gloss. So please don't forget to subscribe, turn on your notification. Anytime I upload a video, you will not miss my video. Bye.